Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, you are going to solve the equation that you're seeing on your screen. And this equation is asking, use the Crammer's rule to solve the following systems of linear equations. And the equations are as you can see on your screen. So we are going to begin by transforming these equations into the matrix form. And this one we are going to do by the coefficients of all the variables. So in the first equation, you can see that the coefficient of x is 2, the coefficient of y is 1, and the coefficient of z is 1. The coefficient of x in the second equation is 3, of y is 0, because there is no y, of z is 1. Then in the last equation, you can see that the coefficient of x is 1, of y is -1, and of z is -1. So that is the matrix form that we obtain after transforming those systems of linear equation. So the first thing that we are going to do here, we are going to obtain the determinant of this matrix here, this 3 by 3 matrix. And we know that finding the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix, we are going to take these two, that is in the first, this point here, and we are going to eliminate anything in this row and in this column. So we'll be having a minor matrix that is 0, -1, 1, -1. Then we are going to have a minus sign here, 3, 1, 1, -1. Then we are going to have a positive sign, and it is 1, having 3, 0, 1, -1. We are going to perform those operations by finding the determinant of these matrix forms. These are the minor matrices. So we are going to find 2. The leading diagonal is this one here. So we'll be having 0. 0 multiplied by -1 is 0. So it will be 0 minus -1, because this one is also giving us -1. Then we're going to have -1 into leading diagonal is -3. Then we are going to subtract 1. Then 1 into -3 subtracted 0. So we are going to get that we are having, this one is +1, so we'll be having 2. We are going to subtract, this one is -4, so we are going to have -4 multiplied by -1, we'll be having +4. Then we are going to subtract 3, so we are going to get 3. So our determinant is 3, as you can see that we have obtained. So in the second step, we are going to substitute the coefficient of x with these values here. So we'll be having 1, 4, 2, then 1, 0, -1, 1, 1, -1. So this one we are finding the determinant that will help us find the value of x. So we'll be having 1 into 0, -1, 1, -1, subtracted 1 into 4, 1, 2, -1, added 1 into 4, 0, 2, -1. And this one is going to give us 1 into, this one is 0. So having 0 minus, so that one is plus 1 minus 1 into -4 minus 2 plus 1 into -4 minus 0. This one will be giving us, this one is 1. So -4 minus 2 is -6. Multiplied by -1, we are going to get +6 plus -4. So that one is minus. We are going to get 3 because it is 7 minus 4. So our dx is 3. So for us to get x, so x is equal to dx over d, which is 3 over 3. This one is giving us 1 as our value of x. As you can see, it is very simple. So you can follow the same procedures that we have followed from top there. By secondly, now you are going to substitute the values in the y, the coefficient of y with these values, but you're going to maintain these values of x. So you'll be having something like 2, 3, 1. Then these values now are not going to be there because we're going to substitute them with these values. So we'll be having 1, 4, 2, and 1, 1, negative 1. Then we'll be having now this one will be now called dy, and this one will help you get the value of y. So after obtaining the determinant of this matrix, after following the same procedure that we have followed up here, you are going to take the value that you obtain as dy and divided by d to give you the value of y. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments about your findings. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button. Thank you.